Hello my dear children, welcome back once again to your mathematics class. Children, in the last session already we have started with our money chapter. In that we have seen how to identify the different types of money and also how to write in the long form and short form. Today let us see how to convert the money. So let us solve the exercise problems based on the conversion of money. So let us start. So children, in exercise C, A part, convert the following into paise. So for example, rupees 70. Rupees 70, we have to convert into paise. So how to convert into paise? Children, in lower classes, already you people have learned 1 rupee is equal to how many paise? 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, or you can say 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. 2 rupee is equal to 200 paise. 3 rupee is equal to 300 paise, and so on. So rupees 70 we have to convert into paise. First we have to write rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. If rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise, then rupees 70 is equal to how many paise? So what you have to do? You write rupees 70 is equal to 70 multiply 100 paise. We have to multiply for that rupees with 100 paise. So how to multiply now? Already in the multiplication chapter we have learned, children. When the multiplication with tens, 20 and all, what you have to do? Multiply number with the number. 7 ones are 7. And then how many zeros are present here? 1, 2, 3. All the zero you people have to put together here. And then write paise. So 70 multiplied by 100 paise, children, you are getting 7,000 paise. It means rupees 70 is equal to 7,000 paise. Like that you people have to convert rupees into paise by multiplying 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, as we know. So whatever the rupees they are giving, for that we have to multiply by 100 paise. Automatically that rupees will convert to paise. Understanding? Let us try with next example. Second example, children. Rupees 87. Rupees 87, children, we have to convert into again in the paise. So how to convert? 1 rupee is equal to how many paise, children? Yes, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. That we have to write without fail first. 100 paise. Now rupees 87 is equal to how many paise? So 87 multiply by 100 paise. Automatically we will get converted into paise. So how to convert? 87 multiply with the 1. 87 ones are 87. So write here 87. How many zeros are there? 2. Insert both the zeros on your right hand side of that number and write paise. So how much you are getting the answer? 87 multiplied by 100 paise is equal to 8,700 paise. Understanding? Like that, whatever they give the rupees for you, you have to multiply with the 100 and you have to convert into rupees into paise. Okay? Because 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Keep in the mind. Now children, next example in A part only. If you see here, question is convert the following into paise. But now the question is rupees and paise together they have given. Just now before this we have seen that if only rupees is given, after multiplying with the 100 paise directly we can convert into paise. Now here rupees and paise, both the things are given. Now what to do? Children, now here you people have to first convert this rupees into paise. That is very easy because just now we have seen after multiplying with 100 paise, automatically rupees will get converted into paise. And this is children, it is extra paise which afterwards we have to only add. Okay, so let us do rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. Then you write this question as it is, rupees 495 paise is equal to, now rupees 4 we have to convert into paise. So 4 multiplied by 100 paise. 4 multiplied by 100 paise. Plus children, now this 95 paise is extra. What we have to do? You have to write here plus 95 paise as it is. Okay. Now what we have to do? This 4 multiplied by 100 we have to first multiply. So 4 multiplied by 100, 400. So this is 400 paise plus this is 95 paise. Now if you see children, both the units are same, paise and paise. When both the units are same, then directly you people can add together. So now what you have to do? 400 plus 95. Horizontally, if it is difficult for you children, vertically in the rough side, arrange properly down of ones, tens, hundred. As you know now addition, and you can do the addition properly without doing any mistake. Now 400 plus 95, we are getting the answer 495. So you can write here 495. What is the unit now? Paise. Because in which unit we are converting now? Paise. So here we understand rupees 4 95 paise. After converting, we are getting 495 paise. Because the question is convert into paise. Now here when it is given rupees and paise together, after doing all the steps, we have converted into paise. Keep in the mind, all the steps are very important. You have to follow each step properly. Because in the exam children, for the steps also you people have the marks. So even you know directly answer, you cannot directly write the answer. Then you will not get full marks. For that you have to do all the steps properly. Okay. Children, let us try similar type of one more example now. Rupees 9 48 paise. One more thing children, always write paise in small letter. Don't write in the capital letter, because paise we always write after the number. Okay. So our first step is you write rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. Then write the question as it is. Rupees 9, 48 paise is equal to children. Now first let us convert this rupees 9 into 100 paise. So 9 multiplied by 100 paise plus this 48 paise is extra paise which we have to add it. So write here 48 paise. Okay. After writing, our first part is to multiply this number. So 9 multiplied by 100, 900. So 9 ones are 9, so 900. So 900 paise plus extra 48 paise. Now what we have to do the next step children? 900 plus 48, do the addition. I told horizontally if it is difficult, do in the rough side vertically and get the answer. So 900 plus 48, 948. So you can write here 948 paise. Because both the units are same. So we can write as a common only one time as a paise. Understood children? Like this children, you can convert if the question is given in rupees and paise both together. directly also after doing all the steps you can convert into paise. Okay, let us try with B part. Convert the following into paise. For example, children, if the rupees 12.96, if rupees and paise together in the short form if it is given, how to convert this in the paise? For that, children, we have to remove the dot. So how can we remove the dot directly? It's not possible. We have to do some process for that. So as we know now, rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. We have to multiply for it. If we multiply, automatically the dot will move it. Let us see one. Rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. So rupees 12.96 multiply with 100 paise. Once you multiply with 100 paise, children, automatically this dot will move and will get 1296 paise. Means you have to keep in the mind, when we are multiplying it, automatically this dot will go. How this dot will go? Let me solve and show here, which is not necessary in the exam you should do it, but for your understanding I am showing here how after multiplying with 100 the dot removes. So if you see here, 12.96 multiply by 100, children. If you do the first step with a 0, after multiplying all the numbers, you will get in the first step all the zeros. For the second step, children, we are putting one 0 in the ones place, and then let us multiply with the tens place number. Again tens place here 0. So if you multiply with the 0 for all the number, again children you will get all the 0, because after multiplying with any number with 0 is 0. Then let us move for the third step. For the third step, children, we are putting ones place and tens place zeros, because we are multiplying with the 100 place now. And then we have to multiply the number which is present in the 100 place. So the number which is present here, 1. So 6 ones are 6, 9 ones are 9, means as it is we'll get all the number, children. 2 ones are 2 and 1 ones are 1. Now after adding, if you add this all the numbers, 0, 0, 6, 9, 2, 1. Okay. Now if you see where the dot is present here, after the 2-digit number from backside. Okay. Similar way, in the answer also you have to give the dot after the 2-digit from backside. So after 2-digit means here it will come. Okay. So after dot, if 0, 0 is there, means there is no value for that. So how much answer we are getting here? 1296, that is paise. That's why like this, if you solve and check, after multiplying, because of the dot and all, that 0 goes, and that's why the dot shift to the right hand side of the number after the number, and after the number front there is no number, so that's why we are not considering that dot. 1296 paise. Like this you have to remove the dot by multiplying with 100. And for you people, there is no need of doing all the steps here, because 3-digit multiplication is not there for this year for you. So what you have to do, keep in the mind, rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. 100 paise means after 2 digit, automatically the dot will shift to the right hand side. So after 2 digit means at the last point. That's why after multiplying with 100, dot will remove from the rupees, and we'll get the paise, that is 1296 paise. Keep in the mind, multiply with the 100 and remove the dot. Okay. 3.15. Convert again into paise. So first step is to write rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. Then for this rupees 3.15 multiply with 100 paise. After multiplying, automatically this dot will move and will get 315 paise. Okay. So rupees 3.15 paise is equal to, after converting, we are getting 315 paise. Right? Rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. So, rupees 0.08 multiplied by 100 paise. So, this dot will shift to the right hand side after the number. So, here we'll get 08 paise. You can write 08 or 8. The meaning is same because 0 is before the number, and before the number there is no value for 0. So, you can read as 08 paise or 8 paise. The meaning is same, that is 8 paise. So, rupees 0.08 means it is 8 paise. One more example, children. Rupees 0.95. Rupees 0.95. Again same, we have to convert into paise. So, rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. So, rupees 0.95 multiplied by 100 paise, automatically we will get 95 paise. Let us take, children, one more example. Again rupees 8.05 now. So, rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. So, 8.05 multiplied by 100 paise. After multiplying, you will get 805 paise. The dot will move. That's why rupees 8.05 means 805 paise. Understood? So, in this B part, different variety of examples they have given, and we have solved all kinds of example here. So, you also can try at home. Okay. So, today we'll wind up our session here. Let us continue remaining problems in the next session. Till then, bye-bye. Stay safe. Take care, children.